Algorand cost examination. As per our genuinely current Algorand cost expectation, the worth of Algorand will expanded by 215.66%, coming to 68 cents by end of 2025 in a genuinely significant manner. All specialized markers show that the ongoing opinion is negative, while the apprehension and eagerness list is perusing 25.09, which especially implies intense trepidation, which explicitly is very critical. Our Algorand estimate: it's hazardous to sell Algorand at this moment. On walk 9, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while especially different markers flagged negative signs, showing a truly broad negative opinion among Algorand cost forecasts. See the specific Algorand cost expectation underneath. You will essentially know the amount Algorand truly is worth in the next few long stretches of time in a significant manner. Over the truly most recent 30 days, Algorand has diminished by 31.98%, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a buy and large slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they in a real sense thought. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Algorand expanded by 110.23% and came to approach around 40 cents. Presently, all markers really are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and covetousness list fundamentally shows 25.09 intense feelings of trepidation, or so they thought. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Algorand, which is genuinely critical. Presently, Algorand is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal, which is very huge. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an Algorand selling signal. The cost of Algorand is as of now running beneath the 50-day basic moving normal SMA, and it explicitly shows a sell especially signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 27 cents toward December's end. By December 2024, Algorand's certainly momentary 50-day SMA shows a 25 cent. The overall strength list. RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unobtrusive way. RSI generally is as of now at or civilu. This shows that the algo market is in a purchase position, which in a real sense is very huge. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Algorand came to 26 cents. When it dipped under 17 cents, interestingly since January 2021, which really is genuinely huge. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Algorand is headed to passing the 42 cents mark before the current year's over, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Before 42 cents, it might generally break its characteristic of $3.28, and for the most part reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Algorand will break its past all-time high of $3.28 and hold somewhere in the range of 38 cents and 42 cents soon, or so they truly thought. At this point, on 9/walk 2023, Algorand is exchanging at 19 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume explicitly is around 74.01 M, and it, for the most part, makes number 38 money in the entire crypto world, which is very huge. Algorand value forecast 2024. There fundamentally is plausible that Algorand can get through the 49 cents boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Algorand cost will really be between 41 cents to 49 cents, and the most fundamentally probable Algorand cost will be consistent at around 47 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite Algorand's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its ecologically antagonistic energy use, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper especially is adhering to his forecast that Algorand will reach 49 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Algorand value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Algo will generally begin the year at 56 cents and exchange around 68 cents in a fundamentally large manner. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with last year in an unpretentious manner. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Algorand value forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Algorand 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, however it truly is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal exceptionally most extreme 86 cents level. Really, in opposition to prevalent thinking, Algorand is explicitly anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed high of 80 cents or 86 cents in 2026. And it could essentially be the extended period of Algorand. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. Algorand Value Forecast, or Algo, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap in a significant manner. Algorand's cost is supposed to outperform 86 cents in 2027, which essentially is genuinely critical. It certainly has been anticipated that Algorand will basically arrive at the especially greatest cost of 86 cents, and the base cost explicitly is supposed to especially be around 73 cents in the essentially next a long time from 2027. In an unobtrusive manner, Algorand figure 2028 market examiners and specialists in a real sense foresee for the most part say that Algorand value expectation and specialized examination, Algorand in a real sense, is supposed to cross a value level of $1.02 in 2028. In the meantime, Algorand is supposed to arrive at an especially least cost of 90 cents this year. The greatest cost may generally reach $1.04. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Algorand Value Forecast and Specialized Examination most certainly anticipate that the expense of Algorand will reach $1.40, and the cost of Algo ought to reach $1.40 before the year is over. Furthermore, Algo can reach up to $1.29 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will sort of bring huge years for Algorand development. Algo Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Algorand Value Forecast are supposed to cross the $1.92 normal cost level, as indicated by Algorand Conjecture and Specialized Examination. Toward the finish of 2030, Algorand's base cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially be $1.86. Moreover, Algo can arrive at a greatest value level of $1.99, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2030, Algorand will have a truly normal cost of $1.99, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. Algorand Value Expectation 2031. Algorand cost for the most part is assessed to reach $2.62 by 2031 at least, with an exceptionally normal exchanging cost of $2.73 all through 2031. Algorand's worth could come to $2.74 at its most elevated. The experts anticipate that the truly most extreme cost should exchange around $2.73. In a significant manner, Algorand figure 2032. Of every 2032, Algorand will attempt to arrive at the least degree of $3.57. It might attempt to truly get the most extreme and next top level of $3.70, with the typical figure cost of $3.68. In an unobtrusive manner, it might break the past high and for the most part proceed to its next level. Assuming everything drive what will be the most minimal cost of Algorand in future, up to 42 cents.